Hello everyone. So this is the questions of coding and decoding. It's question number 6. In the sum x plus 1 plus x plus 5x plus xx plus x1 is equal to 1xx. So it's like this: x plus 1x plus 5x plus xx plus x1. It should be equal to 1xx. So simply, it's a number. X is a number. When you will sum, you will get one, that number, and that number. So how will you get? There are two ways. First, you can directly apply the options and then sum and then check. But the easiest way is to check the ones place. So ones place is 1, x, 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 and x. Sum them. That's 1 plus x. X plus x is 2x plus 3x plus 4x. So 4x plus 1 is equal to x. So when is this possible? So we will just choose the options. If we put x is equal to 2, so that is 4 to the 8, that is 4 to the 8 plus 1, that's 9. 9 is not equal to 2, so it's wrong. So now if we put x is equal to 3, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 1 is 13, 12 plus 1 is 13. So 13, in 13 we have 3, and that 3 is equal to x, and that's true. In 13 we have two letters, but we need only one letter, so one letter is 3, and this 3 is equal to x, and that's true. 3 is equal to x. In 13 we have letter 3 and x is equal to 3, so 3 is the answer. Now suppose we take x is equal to 4, 4 4s are 16 and 1 17. So here x is equal to 7, but here x we took 4, so it's not equal. Now if we take 5, 5 4s are 20, 21. So if 5x we take 5, we get x is equal to 1, which is wrong. So the only option is 3. We got directly by simply adding this 4x plus 1 is equal to x, we got. So actually we have 3 plus 13 plus 53 plus 33 plus 31, which is equal to 133. You can add and you can check. Now consider question number 7. Consider the following arrangement that has some missing letters: AB, AB dash B dash B C B dash D C D C D E D dash D. Missing letter which completes the arrangement are. So we have to place these letters in these fill in the blanks and see which pattern, which among these forms the pattern. The simplest way what I do is I count the numbers total: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 19 20. So there are actually 20 letters, but 20 can be divided by 2, can be divided by 4, can be divided by 5. These 20, but it cannot be divided by 3, 6 and 7. That means I can split AB into 4 chunks. So now I have dash B, this is another chunk. Now C B dash D, this is another, and then C D, this is another, and then last ED dash D. These are the 4. So AB, a pattern. Now suppose I take A. So AB, option A, AB and BB. This is AB and BB. Now if I take option A, CB, CD, CB, CD, and CD, CD, then ED, DD. Do you think this pattern works? No, it doesn't follow any type of a pattern. You can check yourself. It doesn't follow. Now if we take this option, AB, 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 BB again, AB, BB again, then CB and DD. So it again doesn't follow. Now if we go to option C, AB, AB, got. Now AB again. Now CB, CB and CB. Now CB, CB and CD. Now CD, CD and ED. Now ED. So C option looks like it may form an option. Now instead of 4, I take 2, 2. AB, AB. Got it? Now here, option C I'm using CB, CB, CB. So some pattern is looking like. Now CB, AB, 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 CB, CB, AB, 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 CB, CB, and now CD, 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 CD. Now ED, ED. So it forms a pattern like this: AB, AB. 3 बार आ रहा है AB. अब CB आ रहा है 2 बार. उसके बाद CD आ रहा है 3 बार. CD, CD and CD. Little bit. Now, so क्या हो रहा था? हमने लिया AB, AB and यहाँ पर भी आएगा AB. Now I took C here because I'm taking option C, CB, CB and 2 बार आ रहा है CB, and now CD, 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 3 बार आ रहा है CD. अब ED आएगा 2 बार. So this follows the pattern. So option C is correct. For this question, you can first count the letters and see is it divided by 2, 4 or 5 or 3 or 6, whatever. Then you can make a pattern. I first took four options. It doesn't make any sense. Even 5 doesn't make any sense, but 2 makes sense. समझ आया? So let's go on to the question number 8. Okay, now we have the question number 8, which is replace the incorrect term by the correct term in the given sequence. We have a sequence 3, 2, 7, 4, 13, 10, 21, 18, 31, 28, 43 and 40. What do you think this pattern? यहाँ पर ये और एक information दे रही है और एक information दे रहा है where odd terms and even terms follow the same way. So I have this odd term 3, then 7, then 13, then 3, 7, then 13, then I have 21, then I have 31, then I have 43. So this is a pattern. So if I add 3 plus 4, that will give me 7. If I add 7 plus 6, that I get 13. If I add now plus 13 plus 8, I get 21. If I add plus 10, I get 31. If I add plus 12, I get 43. So what is happening is these odd terms are following a pattern. We are adding 4, then we are adding 6, then 8, then 10 and 10, 12. This follows a pattern. What pattern? Whatever I am adding 4. Now I am adding another term by 6. That means I have to add plus 2 to the 4. That I have to add. So 6 को और 2 add करने तो 8. Next term will be added by 8. So now 8 को 2 add करना है 10. Next term will be added by 10. So similarly 10 को 2 add करना है तो 12. Next term will be added by 12. So similar pattern will form even. So there is 2 plus what? Something. 2 plus 2 will give 4. But 4 plus 6 will give 10. But 6 plus 10 plus 8 will give 18. And 18 plus 10 will give 28. 28 plus 12 will give 40. So there is something wrong here. See here why. Now I am adding 6 here. Now 6 को मैं 2 ऐड कर रहा हूँ तो 8 ऐड यहाँ पर कर रहा हूँ, 8 को 2 ऐड कर रहा हूँ तो 10 यहाँ पर ऐड कर रहा हूँ, तो 10 को 2 ऐड कर रहा हूँ तो 12 यहाँ तक तो हो, मगर जब मैं यहाँ से यहाँ पर होना चाहिए प्लस 4. अगर 4 ऐड होता देन 4 को मैं 2 ऐड कर लेता तो 6 आ जाता. सो हियर इट्स अ प्रॉब्लम. So if here is a problem, so this letter is a problematic letter. So I have to change this letter. For what I have to change is I have to take this letter as 0. अगर मैं यहाँ पर 0 लूँगा, 0 अगर मैं लूँगा, so 0 को add क्या करना है, जो 4 आएगा, that is plus 4. Then this pattern will follow. So this letter replace the incorrect term. Incorrect term is 2 by the correct term. Correct term is 0. So 0 will be the answer. Simple. Now let's go to the question number 9. Question number 9 states following is a matrix of a certain entries. The entries follow a certain trend row wise. So row wise a trend is followed. Then we have to find this meaning. So one of the pattern that your eye catches at the first glimpse is पहले B आता है, फिर A आता है, फिर C आता है. So in row ABC आता है, मगर पहले कौन आएगा बाद में कौन आएगा, it is decided by the question alone. B आएगा, A आएगा, then C आएगा. इसके बाद B के बाद C आएगा, A के बाद B आएगा and C के बाद A आएगा. Just like that. तो C फिर B फिर A. तो यहाँ पर A है, C है, मिसिंग क्या है B. तो यहाँ पर B आना डेफिनेट है क्योंकि रो में A B C आना चाहिए बराबर. यहाँ पर A है, यहाँ पर C है, तो B तो डेफिनेटली आएगा ही आएगा. इवन यू कैन सी द कॉलम B इज मिसिंग, तो यहाँ पर B आएगा. तो ऑप्शन दिस माइट बी और ऑप्शन दिस माइट बी. अब क्वेश्चन है नंबर क्या आएगा. 7 प्लस, अगर हम 7 को प्लस 3 करें तो हमें 10 आएगा. अगर जो हम प्लस कर रहे हैं वही एंड पे आ रहा है, बस दैट्स इट. तो 3 को प्लस 6 करेंगे तो यहाँ पर 6 आएगा. तो 10 को प्लस 3 करेंगे तो यहाँ पर क्या आएगा, 3 आएगा. तो 3 इज द आंसर. दैट्स इट. सी पार्ट डन. नाउ लेट्स गो टू अनदर क्वेश्चन विच इज़ अ वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन. इसमें एक पैटर्न चेक करना है. व्हाट द पैटर्न इज इट फॉलोइंग. तो पहला है 8, फिर है 4. 8 को 4 बनाने के लिए आई एम जस्ट डूइंग